Aruba. Last time we were here, we were riding ATVs, jet skiing, wandering around in order to discover everything this Dutch desert island had to offer. Sometimes, there's places you have to visit twice. Maybe because of the friendly atmosphere or the notorious slogan of one happy island. Or maybe it's the crack they put in the tap water. It's good. And I'm back for more. You guessed it.
This time, I'm back in Aruba.
With friends. A gang of misfits who are surely going to leave a mark before they leave this country. We came to eat, and we came to explore. Join us for a 4-part series, soaking in all the fun. And there's me. We're taking on Aruba. Bon dia, and welcome back. You made it to episode 3. Can we finally talk about the tap water? It's so good. They use desalination to pull salt from the ocean water, so there's no need to buy bottled water on the island.
So good.
It's literally liquid gold. It's been a wild ride, and sometimes you just need to take it easy. We made our way to Island-Cabana on Palm Beach. For $25 an hour, you can rent a paddleboard or kayak. There's also a super cool swing with the view that we got a kick out of.
Come on, Jackie.
No! No!
Oh!
We grabbed a quick lunch at Madero at the Ritz-Carlton next door before this evening's festivities. As always, making new friends everywhere we go, wild iguanas roam all over this side of town. They definitely want some of whatever you're eating. In the evening, a sunset tour with Pelican Adventures. Popping the big question to my girlfriend of 6 years, it just felt right. Even if it meant losing the drone.
And then look at me. I love you so.
We had a ball. Since it was Halloween night, we even got to experience the full blue moon on the way back. And after a few shots of real tequila, we needed some grub to soak up all the poison. Stopping at Iguana Cantina for some chimichangas and enchiladas, it was the exact care we needed. And the fun didn't just stop there, as we enjoyed a late night pool party at the house.
I'm not a player, I just a lot.
Man, this is gonna hurt in the morning. Hurting and dehydrated, the next day we needed a long day of doing just about nothing. So we drove down to San Nicolas, stopping by a roadside vendor for fresh coconut water. These are some serious lifesavers. Rehydrated and alert, we set up shop at Baby Beach. A calm cove for snorkeling, and one of the best for just lounging. A local favorite on Sundays. By the end of the day, a storm was brewing in the distance, so we headed back. Hungry and drained, what better way to end the day than taco night?
Taco Tuesday! We know it ain't Tuesday, but we on vacation, so we don't know what day it is.
It was a family affair.
It's a vegan taco.
Stay tuned for the series finale as we relocate to the Renaissance Hotel in the capital of Aruba, Orandistad, where we hang with the flamingos and try some more delicious eats. Keep those seatbelts buckled because we're taking on Aruba.